Good afternoon, Ken here, and today I'm going to do an instructional video on our AC-USL light mount. So the light mount comes in this nice neat package with instructions. It'll come with these rubber bands and two of these foam pieces right here. Basically, to use this, you take the rubber bands, you can put them over a light, mount the light down inside the saddle, and then take the Velcro strap and tighten it down. The problem though is there's a lot of newer lights out there on the market now that aren't as big as this, and they're using smaller batteries and different technology. So you have lights that are more this style. This light itself is a little loose in the saddle, but it's too big for the next size smaller. So what we've done here is these two foam pads, you can take the yellow backing off, stick them onto the mount the light in, tighten it down, and it holds, the foam pads hold it really nice and snug, so you're all set then. So other than that, if you have questions on anything else or these parts that we have, please feel free to give me a call, and have a great day.